Dear friends, today we are gonna do the unboxing of Canon EOS 250D that comes with a 1855 lens set. It is 24.1 megapixel ISO and 4K recording, and there are lots of features. Let us see what comes inside the box. So there is some paperwork including, I think, how to specification, I'm not so sure, the instruction manual and the warranty papers. And inside the box, so this is how it is. So that is a cable, a 3-pin cable. Not sure why it is being used for, maybe for charging. And that's the battery. So the battery is I'll let you know the specification later. And that is the power, the charging brick. So it supports 100 watt to 240 watts AC in. And then so that is the lens. So actually this camera is bought by my dear friend Amit. So he gave me this opportunity to do an unboxing and put it in my channel. Thank you very much. So this is actually silver in color, silver and white. So the lens that comes with the device is silver in color. It looks very classic. Sorry for the disturbance, there are children around. So it is 1855 mm and it is very classic, silver and white. Wow. And the strap is also peculiar because usually you get in black and red, but this is in gray and silver. And that is the camera itself. And wow, so this is the white camera. Wow, this looks good, classic. So it has a grip here, the camera branding, the lens, it's the branding, and it has mic and I don't know what's the other thing, and the viewfinder menu, and these other things underneath for the tripod. Yeah, wow, the color looks very classic. Yeah, right. So, that's no problem. Okay. So this is the battery. So these are the things that comes with the device. After placing the lens, the camera looks very classic with the silver scope and white body. Wow, very beautiful. All right, thank you, Mr. Amit, for this. This is the and it rotates 360. Yeah. Wow. And then you can actually fold it back, I think. Yeah. Wow, this is how it looks. That's very classic camera. Thank you very much. Thanks for